Today we've got 5 quick tips to help you get the most out of your citrus trees this winter. Feeding citrus trees is best done in spring, summer and early autumn. If you leave it any later than that, particularly if you live in a frost-prone area, all the new growth you've encouraged is likely to get frosted. It doesn't matter where you live though, it's always a good time of year to give your trees a boost with Tui Organic Seaweed Plant Tonic. If the leaves on your trees are looking a little bit yellow, it's likely a lack of magnesium. This is a really easy fix, they just need a dose of Tui Epsom salts. Mulching your citrus trees is a really good idea. It helps to protect against extreme temperatures, keeps the roots moist and is really good for weed suppression. Now is also a really good time of year to be checking for bugs. You're looking for aphids, scale, whitefly and mites. These can be prevented by applying a spraying oil throughout winter. If you get bugs on your trees, you need to head into your local garden centre and they'll find something you can treat them with. Pruning citrus trees is something that doesn't actually need to be done, unless your tree is looking particularly large or misshapen. You can prune your trees at any time of year, however if you live in a frost-prone area, you're best to wait until spring after the tree has finished fruiting.